Yeah, today we are very thankful to our leaders, our state president and our minister and our national in charge who came and supported and flagged off all the 38 vehicles. It's a unique actually type of collecting the views from the people. At the same time, we have created a website also with a missed call number. 7878786060. If they give a mixed call, there will be a link, and if they enter into the link, there will be provisions, their name and what all the request. They can upload it and they send it. It directly come to our website. So we are very happy that our manifesto will be mother of all manifestos. As everyone told, somebody told it's hero, somebody told it's heroine. But it is, for us, it's mother of all manifestos, mother manifesto. So it will take care of all walks of life, all the sections of the society. And our manifesto will be a role model manifesto. And it will be a vision document for the Tamil Nadu, development of Tamil Nadu. So nowadays, divisive politics only done by our Chief Minister. We will be doing development politics as our Honorable Prime Minister always guides us. No, but first of all, they should accept their failure. Nowadays, they are unable to talk about their development. Whenever the DMK failed in their governance, whenever they will not be able to talk about development, then immediately they will deviate the issue towards language, towards religion, towards delimitation, like that. So that they will, it is just transforming the focus from their misgovernance. And Kanimoli, if she is telling till this prevalent, this Kallakudi is prevalent, Kallakurchi, they have to think about Kallakurchi also. So when Kallakudi, they are telling Kallakurchi only is reminded to me. And they should be ashamed. 5 times they have ruled Tamil Nadu. Till honor killings, till situation like Vengai Vayal, until language issue is there, they should be ashamed. They were unable to solve any problem. Then what they will be solving? So Kanimali should be ashamed that in spite of repeated ruling Tamil Nadu, they have not solved any problem. That's all I can say. This is artificially they portraying a language issue. People are not focusing on language issue. The people they want, if they are learning 3 languages, but very, very unfortunate, the government schools are not teaching 3 languages, but private schools are teaching 3 languages. I can foresee that the Stalin government will shift the schools of their family members, because the Stalin is telling there is no place for Hindi in Tamil Nadu, but they are teaching in Tamil Nadu. So I believe that they are shifting the schools. So this is highly discriminative that private school children are taught Hindi and or other any third language, but private schools children are deceived.
The body has been found of the mother.
Where it was found? It's very disheartening, no? With a great hope, they came to Tamil Nadu, and when a family was killed and packed and thrown, until that nobody noticed it. The lawlessness of prevalent in Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister should be ashamed of such incidences. Every day, like a weather forecast, like crime forecast is there in Tamil Nadu. How it can be tolerated? So, as we said today, it's high time the rising sun should finish its shining and let lotus with 2 leaves bloom. That's it. No, this is highly condemnable. Even the Supreme Court has come out with a verdict that there is no any connection between the Hindu organizations or the RSS with the killing of Kodse. And when the RSS was banned, it was lifted. Because there was no any proof, it was a misinterpretation. So again and again, if they are telling that is the Stalin is unaware of the real situation, that's all. Ignorant, that's all I can say.